Hey everyone, Mark here at Discover Your Home. Thanks again for joining me tonight, and I'm going to give you 5 quick interior upgrade methods or things you can do to help sell your home quicker. First, let's get those high traffic areas repainted. Kitchens, entryways, common areas, hallways, anywhere, bathrooms where there's a lot of traffic, get those freshened up. Like I say, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. If you've got a couple bad toilets or bad plumbing fixtures that are a little pitted and dated, you can go down to Home Depot or one of the local stores, pick up a couple faucets, maybe a new toilet. If you're going to change out that toilet, go to maybe the new Comfort Height toilet. Keep it simple, keep it white. Colored toilets cost you more. Why, I don't know, but they do. Maybe not in all cases, but in some. Okay, let's see, what else we got here? If you have a popcorn ceiling, make sure it is sealed up. The really old popcorn type style ceilings have, some of them can have asbestos in it, so make sure it's either it's gone or it's sealed up real good. Popcorn ceilings were real popular back in the 80s. They've kind of gone the way of the dodo bird. You don't see them quite as often. So make sure it's either sealed up really well and or get rid of it. Okay, and let's see, we got laundry room. Great room to update. Do a couple quick updates. Maybe get rid of the utility towel, put a cabinet in. Find yourself a sink you can drop in there, a little faucet, kind of clean it up. Go find a remnant top that you can put in there. You can all run down to your local superstore like a Menards or Home Depot, pick up something like that, freshen it up, throw 1 or 2 cabinets in there, give yourself a little bit more space, get stuff off the floor in the cabinets. And finally, either get rid of that old dirty carpeting and put some wood floor down, or make sure it is clean, clean, clean. If you can get those 5 items done, hopefully this will help you sell your house quicker, because like I said, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. Thanks again. I'm Mark at Discover Your Home. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you soon.
Thanks so much for listening to this episode of Discover Your Home with your host, Mark Lotz. Online at lotzremodeling.com. That's Lotz, L-O-T-Z, remodeling.com. And on Twitter and Facebook at Lotz Remodeling. We'll catch you next time.